My game never started.
That's not Lord.
I gotta go in. You know?
I love you.
Don't care. I love you too. Yes, daddy,
No,
yes.
no. I'll just go play Valorant.
Are you doing Onyx?
What?
Someone said they're gonna go play Valorant?
Yeah, I play Valorant.
Oh god. You must have a lot of patience. Oh, no, no!
The only reason why I play Valorant is because of my friends, and no one plays CSGO here anymore.
Chaos plays it. I actually wouldn't mind playing CSGO if it didn't, like, if anybody else had it. I have the Giga's whole entire hard drive though, sadly. Get out of here, Rodri.
And Valorant is pretty much the only game you can play here. If they have a PC.
I downloaded CSGO. I got Valorant through like a Twitch key. Valorant, I don't know. I don't see the hype around it. It's more annoying than anything.
Yep.
Who's passing out the harps and the halos?
I feel like CSGO wouldn't be that bad.
If it's anything that Riot makes is always a toxic cesspool.
Hey, that's coming out of somebody's
Yeah.
paycheck.
Wait, Yoshi was just Bigfoot on my screen, and now he's Boogeyman. What? Or was he not? Maybe he wasn't. Oh, that was my mind. Oh shit! You're Wildfoot. You're Boogeyman for me.
Bigfoot and Snakebite are going hand to hand, and somebody's gonna end up with a headache.
Make it Chevy. Make it Chewy. Wait, Chewy. Chewy, horn. Use the horn. Use that
I don't
horn.
move. I didn't have to move.
Chewy, use that horn again.
Okay, Yoshi, you think you're a camp over there? I see you.
Chewy.
What?
Oh! Whoa!
Chewy. Chewy.
I can't hear you.
Snakebite is reaching for
Talking
the
to
stars.
Chewy.
Car looks like something from GTA 3.
Oh,
It
the
does, the fucking
humanity!
Eve, use the horn again.
Get out of here, Yoshi. Oh, you survived.
Chewy, use horn.
Oh, get some fun. Oh, Masako, what's up? Go over here, Masako. Get out of here. Ah, hell nah. Come here.
Damn, the Soccer is
Oh.
playing him too.
Get out of here, Giga.
The Soccer's playing him too.
They're gonna leave a mark.
Wow.
Oh, concrete! Fuck concrete!
What happened? Oh wow, Misako voice reveal. Misako voice reveal.
I don't get why, when people leave the game, they're still in here. Snakebite went for a run. Oh shit, I'm stuck. Hello, how are you?
Snakebite and Hollywood Hogan
What's
are
fucking
back
sound
in the
effects?
and depression. End up with a headache.
Oh,
This is game even.
someone take some,
Oh, this is Structure Derby.
someone take some screenshots.
Demolition Racer.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Come on,
So
this
good.
way. Here, get out of here, Rodri. Oh my god, I just killed three of you guys. Oh, Look at little pig sitting down there all dead and shit.
Play, but no.
I don't get it. When you leave this game, there is ghosts in there.
Nothing a little plastic surgery can't fix.
Yo, Heave, is that the PC port or the PSX port? Or the
It's playing
PSX?
on PC. Happy on PC. I have to be on PC.
That should get the attention of
Man,
Unless he's
Rodri is
relating
getting
it.
around.
Even though he's not talking, he's
Dude, this game is so fire, bro.
The humanity.
Oh my god, Rodri.
let me hey,
What's up?
let me know if you want to.
Yeah, Tony, what were you saying?
Play Carmageddon?
Yeah, what do you want to play Carmageddon 2 with me?
Hell with them. Hell with them.
I don't
Also,
rate
we
stuff,
should
though.
play. We should play Beam
How'd you
sometime.
like to see
Oh,
that
yeah,
in your rear
I have a lot of good stuff.
Dude, no.
Who's not on autos, so somewhere.
I like horror game. Horror game for.
Another one
I don't know,
bites the
like-
dust.
Ah, yeah.
I don't
Got
know
fucked
how
up.
to servers,
Yeah.
Snake
I wanna
bite
play
is
Slender Man
crash, leaving an
multiplayer.
incredible path of destruction.
Slender multiplayer.
That would be fun.
Game of the year.
so.
Or that granny
Unbelievable
multiplayer.
mark.
Granny Simulator or whatever. Or Granny.
Yeah.
This horror Granny game.
Bigfoot
You know,
I'm waiting to
Snake
get
bite
speaking
yeeted.
are
of
getting up
games,
close
speaking
and
of
personal.
games, someone actually made BMW recently.
No, no, no,
Like
no,
a high
no,
quality
no,
one though.
no,
Somebody.
Yeah, it's no, yeah, it's high quality. It's like a really
no! Son of a bitch, I'm stuck!
Got the harps and the halos.
Trying to share the mod, bro.
Alright, no, I'll show you the form.
I'm gonna murder whoever pushed me off. Whoever did that, you're getting it right now. Come here.
It's on the mod. Well, yeah,
That's how
Here, Yoshi.
As you
say
should.
hello.
wish I posted that.
No, no, no.
Yes.
No.
Can't play all the
That's gonna break the heart of any competitor.
I wanna watch the match and I can't.
Why? Nice. Rodri! Rodri!
Giga's going insane.
Okay, everybody get Masako. Everybody on Masako. There we go. Good Yoshi. Ah, good shit, Yoshi. Good shit, Yoshi.
Yeah, I mean, we're alright. I used to like I used to watch a lot more. I can see your stuff. Like, I can see your stuff. I know your stuff. I can see your stuff.
I'm not a die-hard fan, but it's in my playlist, so I got a couple songs.
I used to be much
My main album that I listen to right now is In Utero. I think that's my
Oh, yeah.
Oh, good. Yes, 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 yes. Masako died.
Too bad, Jordy.
And I got the lead. And I got the lead, boys. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. Yes, yes, yes. Oh god. Oh heavens. Oh sweet Jesus.
Just another guy.
Oh. I barely got a lead right now.
Yeah, the shootings are just like us.
Oh yeah. I know exactly.
Oh. Yellow. I think Masako got killed better than I did. I think I won. Get out of here, Giga. I don't like you right now. Come here. I'm mad at you.
Snakebite is on its tippy toes.
He just collected, bro. He came to collect.
Boys, bow down to the king of Team 2. Kiss my toes. Oh, my game crashed. Shit. I think it had an access violation.
It's okay. Since you're a punk guy also. Okay, since you're a punk guy also.